Mark this date, because what I'm about to reveal could change everything for you. TikTok, once a mere entertainment app, has metamorphosed into a financial behemoth. Ordinary individuals are scripting extraordinary success stories. This is not luck, it's strategy. The TikTok Creativity Program is turning everyday creators into digital moguls. Take a look at this account right here. Their videos are racking up millions of views. Millions. All they're doing is tapping into the power of curiosity, posting what-if scenarios and simple comparisons that keep viewers hooked. TikTok pays between $4 and $8 per 1,000 views. With 7.5 million views, even at just $1 RPM, that's a whopping $7,500 from a single video. And here's the kicker. Making these videos is ridiculously easy. So, are you ready to dive into this untapped niche and start making serious cash? Let's get started.
Let's begin with the first step, creating the script for this video. If you already have a script, that's great. If not, don't worry, we'll use ChatGPT to create the entire script. Head over to ChatGPT and paste the prompt provided. Don't worry, you'll find all the prompts in the description. Now ChatGPT will give you 10 different ideas for your videos. Once you're done, copy and paste the second prompt to generate the script for your chosen topic. I'll be using this topic, so just paste the topic into the prompt and hit enter. ChatGPT will then provide the entire script for your video. Now that we have the script, let's move on to step 2, visuals. We'll be using Leonardo AI, one of the best image generation tools available. You'll find the link in the description, which will take you directly to the page. Click on Launch App and sign up with your Google account. Once logged in, select Image Generation. Next, choose the anime preset style. Set the image dimensions to 1916. Now, choose to generate 2 or 3 images. Leonardo AI provides 150 free credits per day, which is more than enough to generate images for one video. Just enter the prompt to generate your images. Not sure what prompt to use? No worries, just go back to ChatGPT and paste the image prompt provided in the description. Now, ChatGPT will provide you with 3 image prompts for each part of your narration, allowing you to generate unique images for the entire video. Once you've got the prompts, copy one and head back to Leonardo AI. Paste the prompt, then click Generate. Your image will be ready in just 3 to 4 seconds. Now just repeat the process to get all the visuals for your video. A simple image might not be enough to make your visuals truly stand out, so adding some motion can make them more appealing. You can do this with just one click. Hover over the generated image and click Generate Motion Video. Set the motion duration between 5 and 7 seconds. Then, click Generate, and you'll get visuals with motion. Repeat this process for all the images where you want to apply motion. So now, we've got all our visuals ready for the video. So far, we've got our script and visuals ready for the video. Now let's move on to step 3, voiceover. If you're confident in your voice, you can use your own voice and emotion. If not, don't worry. 11 Labs has got you covered. 11 Labs is one of the best and most realistic text-to-speech AI voice generators. The best part is that you can clone your voice with just one click. This means you don't have to worry about buying expensive equipment for voice recording. Plus, you can monetize your videos using these AI-generated voices. You'll find a link in the description. Sign up for free with your Google account. 11 Labs gives you 10,000 free characters to start with. Now head back to ChatGPT and copy the narration part. Paste it into 11 Labs. Next, go to the voice section and select Voice Library. Here, you'll find a variety of realistic voices. Take some time to find the best one. I'm going with a narration and storytelling style voice. You can also use the filter option to find the best match for your needs. Once you've made your choice, click Add to My Voice. That's it. Your selected voice will be added. Now, go to the speech section, click Voice, and choose the voice you've just selected. It's super simple. Once you've done that, click Generate Voice, and your voiceover will be created. Repeat this process to get all the voiceovers for your video. Once you're done, let's move to the final step, editing. You don't need a high-end premium video editing software to edit your video. You can make your video look stunning using the free version of CapCut. Open CapCut on your PC. Click Import and bring in all the voiceover. Once imported, drag and drop all the voiceovers into the editing panel, aligning them according to the script. Select the first audio clip, increase the volume to 20, and make sure the Normalize Loudness option is selected. Next, go to Voice Changer, select Mic Hog, and set the room size to 5 and the strength to 7. This will give you the best audio quality. Once you're done, apply the same settings to all the other voiceovers. To make this easier, select the first voice clip, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard, then select all the remaining voice clips and press Ctrl+Shift+V to paste the settings to all of them. Now, click on Ratio and set it to 9:16. Turn off the tracking magnet. Next, click Import and bring in all the visuals. Drag and drop all the visuals into the editing panel. Carefully read the script and synchronize the visuals with the audio. Now that our video and audio are perfectly synced, let's add background music. For background music, I'll use a website called Kozik. Head over to kozik.com, click on All Music. You can choose any mood for your video. I'm going with cinematic. Take your time to select the best music for your video. Once you've chosen, download your music. Don't worry, it's completely free, but you must include the following credits in your video's description. Now, go back to CapCut and import the downloaded background music. Once imported, remove any unnecessary parts of the music. Select your music track, go to Basic, reduce the volume, and adjust the fade-in and fade-out settings. After this, you can add effects and transitions to make your video more appealing. Once everything is set, let's add captions to the video. CapCut makes this easy with just one click. Go to Caption, set the language to English, and click Generate. Your captions will be created in seconds. Then go to Text to change the fonts and colors as desired. Finally, go to Animation, select the caption, and choose Spring. Once done, bring the caption to center. And that's it. Your video is ready to go. Here is the final result.
What would happen if gravity suddenly disappeared? Imagine this. One moment you're walking down the street and the next you're weightless, floating away from the ground. Without gravity, everything not anchored down would drift into space. Cars, trees, even entire buildings would float away, leaving Earth behind. Inside your home, you'd be grabbing onto anything you could to stay put, while everyday items like your phone or coffee cup would be impossible to keep in place. Our atmosphere would escape too, leaving Earth exposed to the harshness of space. Without gravity, Earth itself might even start breaking apart. In a world without gravity, everything we know would change in an instant, reminding us just how crucial this invisible force is to our survival. So next time you feel your feet firmly on the ground, remember to appreciate gravity, because without it, life as we know it would simply float away.
Stunning, right? It took less than 15 minutes to make this video. Once you're satisfied, you can export this video and upload it to your TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. If you need to automate the complete video creation process, this video will help you. And if you want to learn about $900 per day niches, this video will also be useful. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.